Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you easy and simple how to download Twitter videos. Twitter videos are not available to be downloaded inside the app. You have to use different type of app. But let's jump into Twitter and let's look for some video that we wanna download. Let's scroll down. Let's say we wanna download this video over here. This robot, right? You want to click on the video itself. I want you to click on the lower right corner. You see the small arrow that is pointing up. You want to click on it. Then you want to click copy link. After we copy the link on the clipboard, all I want you to do is to go on Google Chrome and find this website over here. It's called sstweeter.com. Okay? You want to paste the link over here and you want to click download. Simple as it is. If you scroll up, scroll down, essentially you're able to download the video in three different quality types. Okay, you're able actually to download the video and to convert it into mp3. So if you want to use the video, for example, if it's like a podcast, you can just use it as a podcast, just a sound, and the app will convert it into mp3. If you just want to download the video as it is, it's no problem with it. Just pick the right quality, and essentially that's it, guys. For more tips and tricks, subscribe and come back for more.